and I am from Madhya Pradesh. And basically, I am a English language teacher. I am an English literature teacher in government school, government CMI school. And on top of that, I am a English communication coach. I teach students online spoken English. I have lots of courses, multiple courses, so recorded courses, live courses. Yes, and I also upload some video on YouTube, so you can also say I am a YouTuber. Yes.
That's great. That's great. Nice to hear from you that you are a trainer. Am I clear? So, yeah, I have
Yes.
started these for those people who are just about learning English. They are not able to start journey. Being a trainer, that you are a trainer. So, what tips that you want to give them? How they can start their English journey?
Yes. Well, so actually, the is speak fluent English. Actually, you have to first think like a baby, and there is lots of method, lots of teacher, lots of courses, and their objective is different. Some YouTuber whose objective is to only get good views. Some trainer, their objective is to get good fees. But the real method, I would like to tell you, that firstly, you need to think like a baby. How American baby is able to speak so clear English? Britishers baby are able to speak so powerful English, even though they don't know about the grammar. They don't know lots of vocabulary. I am telling you, if you will keep studying what you are studying, and your focus is only to improving your knowledge rather than speaking, so you will not able to speak. There is three simple steps. The first tip is, you can say, learn a whole phrase. Learn English in the phrase, in the groups, 3 to 4 words group, and this will make your English more better, more powerful. This is first step. Now the second step is, you need to focus on listening. Listen. The more you will listen, and not only listening, once you are listening, then try to speak the same content in your own words. This is second step. And the third thing is, learn English actively. Actively means since that I am telling you that you do not require any trainer to speak good English. Do not need. What you need to do is, you do not need any kind of atmosphere at all. Nothing. What you need to do is simply watching a simple videos, 2 or 3 minutes videos of from YouTube or anywhere. Story-based videos, simple English where there is. And once you have watched video, understand it fully, you can watch it 2 or 3 times, multiple times, until you are not able to fully understand. And then try to say same content, same concept in your own words. Do practice this daily. The more you will do this practice, the more your brain will push your comfort zone, and you will be able to make and frame powerful sentences. And this will make absolute fluent English speaking. Yes.
Okay, great tips you have. So, okay, tell me something about the kids like 7 to 8 years old. They want to start speaking. So, what type of and they can watch, and after that, same procedure I can say that kids. I
Yes.
think little
Yes.
because their mind
Yes.
is
For the kids, for the kids or anybody, I'm just giving you another tip. The tip is, you need to understand some patterns, the grammatical patterns where there is, right? Suppose that hello. सपोज दैट मुझे बोलना है कि मैं आइसक्रीम खाना चाहता हूँ, और मुझे बोलना है कि मैं आइसक्रीम खाना चाहूंगा. दोनों अलग अलग सेंटेंसेस. बट यदि मैं ग्रामर का पैटर्न एक फोकस करूं, सो आई कैन मेक वन सेंटेंस, आई वुड लाइक टू ईट आइसक्रीम. दैट इज ट्रू फॉर द बोथ. द पैटर्न इज आई वुड लाइक टू. I would like to. There is 4 words and one grammatical pattern is ready. Anything you want to say in the present or the future, simply use this pattern. I would like to. I would like to join spoken English class from tomorrow. Simple. So I would like to change the verb at the same time. And this is the power of patterns. There are the 6 frequently used patterns. Once you will learn, you will be able to speak more clear English. And this is the first thing. Now the second thing I am telling you, you need to only learn 3 tenses. And very easy way, and you can speak very powerful English. The present indifferent, past indifferent, and present continuous, right? And once you have learned three words, three tenses, and simply pick a verb, any verb or any object, and start framing sentences. Suppose that I am just playing cricket. Said to play, verb is play. Now, how I am framing sentences? I am playing cricket. Yesterday I did not play cricket. I play cricket daily. Simple. So from the verb play, with the help of three tenses, I am able to make a powerful sentences, powerful concept. Now, watching videos. So I watch daily videos. Yesterday also I watched videos. Right now I am watching videos. Simple. So this is the way you are able to develop your fluency very easy way. You do not require to learn complex grammar patterns, practice, trainers, or anything at all. Yes.
Trainer means that as you can make for the children or for the students this practice. So what do you think about, like, the according to me, people where they get stuck, like whenever it comes to the present indefinite for the she, it, or singular, so they get, so in initial stage they don't have to need speak like a he, because mostly we speak about ourselves, so we can use I, and when we are comfortable with I, then we can speak about he, she, it singular. Or if you have any another for he, she, it singular, so you can just um,
Yes, well, it's a great question. Firstly, I would like to tell you this. Once you're speaking about I, so I have three friends. I have three friends. I, we, they, and you. Now, anybody that is coming from out of this friendship, that will count always yes. Yes. Right now you can say that the I. I speak English. Now my name is Gyan. So Gyan speaks English. Simple. So you are always putting focus to yourself only, and you're able to speak more easy way, naturally.
because some of the people, they just get stuck from here. Otherwise, you don't have need to learn so many grammars while it comes to speak. So for speaking, as you told me about the present, past, and continuous is sufficient for initial stage. And the best thing is that they can start with few words. If they have few words and they can make sentence like phrasals, so it is also good for them. And gradually they will learn more. But the first step is that how they start speaking, because speaking is must. Okay, so okay, tell me something more about vocabulary. How they can
Yes.
learn, and they can
Yes.
use.
So vocabulary is actually the very easy part, but the question is, our school method, teaching method has made it very difficult. I am also a government English teacher, and where I encourage my student to focus the word and understand in the context rather than memorize the entire word from a list. Once you have a list of 100 words or 20 words, it's very difficult. You will not able to memorize. You will always tend to forget. Now, suppose that a word is hate. You got a word hate. Now you have to memorize. How you will be able to memorize? Simply you can say Gyan hates ice cream. Simple. Gyan hates ice cream. Now it's in a sentence. It is in a context. So it's a grammatically correct. It's in sentence. So it's easy to understand. And because it is spoken, so you will also learn at the same time pronunciation. So that's why you are listening something and speaking in the context will make you very quick fluent. And you will never tend to forget the meaning of the hate. Now you can say that what you are hating. I hate non-veg. Now simple. I hate non-veg. So it is again in the context. I hate street food. Again, I hate street food. So whatever you hate, you speak directly in the sentence, in the context. Simple.
That's great.
Yes.
That's great. Okay. So another one is pronunciation. Indian pronunciation who are from government schools. So definitely the pronunciation is not up to the mark. So how we can work on the pronunciation as well, because without correct pronunciation, you can't speak in a proper way.
Yes. Well, the pronunciation is actually again it's a good question. I would like to tell you that to learning pronunciation it's very easy. What you need to do is you need to just listen. That's why the first thing is that learning English is any language is listening. How a baby learn English or any language? He listens. He listens 1 year and 2 years, but the most of the adult learners like us, they do not have time of 2 years. They want to learn quickly. And so what you need to do is, I have told you about the watching a video. And once you're watching a video, 3 minutes video, so you are listening sentence into context. You are also listening pronunciation. And the best way to learn pronunciation is, and also I would like to tell you about the speaking English, is watch a video. Anybody's English who always admire. Who's English who always admire? He may be cricketer, reporter, politician, anybody. Now listen one sentence and pause and repeat that sentence 3 times. Listen one sentence and repeat that sentence 3 times. Again, another sentence 3 times. This way you will learn new vocabulary. You will learn vocabulary in the context. You will learn the pronunciation, and you will learn everything about English. Because pronunciation is not only one word pronunciation. Pronunciation is all about the entire sentence. How you are speaking about entire sentence, that counts on the pronunciation. And that actually is the art. Because the more you will listen carefully, the more you will able to understand and listen the very minute sound during speech. And that will make you good pronunciation.
And pronunciation and intonation is much we are speaking. So the in our mother tongue, definitely we have intonation, that how we can converse our sentence, like voice modulation. With voice modulation, it is must whenever we are speaking English or any. Okay, so yeah, Gyan, this is a nice session with you, and you have given so many tips and tricks for the beginners who can at least start their speaking portion. And finally, if you want to give a final tip to our co-learners.
Yes, actually, that there is English is a journey. It is not destination. Firstly, the most important thing is that you need to push your comfort zone. Always keep pushing your comfort zone. And to comfort zone, that's you have to speak instantly. Put yourself in challenging situation. And that's why there is a fluency. The fluency has 6 elements. The people actually misunderstood what actually means the fluency. The people feel that they speak very fast. That's a fluency. No, there are 6 elements. So in another video, another session, we will discuss all the 6 elements. There is one element that is called listening pronunciation, comprehension. Sorry, listening comprehension. And listening comprehension means that you are not able to only listen, because I am watching something and I am able to understand. So people feel that I am able to understand, so I am listening. Actually, that is only one portion. The another portion is that you are able to understand and you are able to say same thing instantly without thinking, automatically. If you are able to watch video, you have just watched a video, and now just check yourself that you are able to say same video content in your own words. That is called listening comprehension, and that is the best method, I'm telling you. This will always keep pushing your comfort zone. Do it daily. You do not require partner. You do not require any kind of atmosphere. People say that they do not have atmosphere. Do not require atmosphere.
That practice as much as they can and listen. Listening is must. And writing is another part you can do later, but listening is must. If you are not able to listen every day, so how will you speak? Firstly listen, and then you can speak at least 2-3 words, or you can. So thank you, Gyan, and giving me your valuable time, sharing your valuable ideas with me. Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
So